add logo to your picture. How to add logo to your pictures, your photos. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually add logo. Everybody will know what I mean by logo. Yes, how you can add your business logo to your photo, to your picture, before you can be able to post it. So you're going to be using PhotoGrid. Yes, you heard me right. You're going to use app for PhotoGrid to actually achieve this. Okay, so most of us know PhotoGrid for just grids. You're kind of putting pictures together, or what we call photo collage. You know, the other things you can actually do with your PhotoGrid app, which I'm going to be teaching you guys one after the other. Just keep watching, keep following. I'll be dropping videos concerning PhotoGrid soon. Okay, so but this particular video, what I'm going to touch on is how you can add logo to your pictures. How you can add logo to your pictures. Okay, so let's go there and do it together. Okay guys, what you will do is for you to open to your PhotoGrid. When you open to your PhotoGrid like this, okay, yes, open to PhotoGrid, you click on edit. When you click on edit, then you import the picture that you want to add logo to. Okay, I'll select this particular one. Okay, then look for sticker. This is sticker. By down, you must have saved your logo in your gallery. Okay, you click on this plus sign to take you to your, then look for your logo. My own should be here on Canva. Okay, so this is it. So this one automatically removes the background, making it transparent. Let's see. Assuming this is your logo, I'm using this in just for teaching. So I automatically remove the background, making it transparent. But if you don't want it transparent, when it's like this, just click on this shape. Click on this shape, so it will remain like that without removing the background. Let's see. I see it. I see. So once you just click like that to remove it and make it transparent, but if you don't want, click on shape to remain like that. So a sticker has been added. So this can be called watermark for your sticker, your business sticker. That's how to add it. So this one is that transparent one. This one is the main one. Okay, you can actually expand it like this. You can actually make it more like this. Okay, so let's do another one. Sorry, I want to kind of arrange this in well. Okay, so let's do another one. Okay, this one actually is logo. You can actually use your text. You can just type maybe your name, clicking on this text. They type something. Okay, like this. Oh, sorry, let me type it again. After typing, click on this plus sign to add it. So this is it. This is the color. You can make it like this, plain like this. You can adjust this transparency here. Are you seeing it? So another thing you can make it curve if you wish to. We click on this one. We adjust this one like this. If you're going towards this side, this is how it's to go. If you're going towards this side, this is how it will go. So you just keep adjusting like so. You can change colors depending. So this is how to do it. So when you are done, you click on save and it will be saved in your gallery.